आरम्भं करोतु महोदय।
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः।
धन्यवादः महोदय।
धन्यवाद।
अस्तु, आरम्भं कुर्मः। Are there any questions or doubts from the last class or about homework? No doubts. Okay. There are no doubts. We'll proceed. Astu. So we had covered Saptami Vibhakti for Hari, Rama, Guru, Ityadi Shabdaha. Let us quickly review them and then we will do the Saptami Vibhakti for Sarvanama Shabdaha today. With that, we will cover all the 7 Vibhaktis. Astu. Hari Shabda. Sri Vidya Mahoday, Hari Shabda, can you please say all the 7 Vibhaktis and the Sambodhana? भवती म्यूट मध्ये अस्ति।
हरिः हरि हरयः हे हरे हे हरि हे हरयः हरिं हरि हरीन् हरि हरिना हरिना हरिभ्यां हरिभिः हरये हरिभ्यां हरि हरिभ्यः
हरेः
हरेः हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः हरेः अगेन हरेः हर्योः हरिषु
हरिणाम Haraprasad Mahodaya, please mute yourself. We'll take turns to speak. Dhanyavadah. Harinam.
Harinam. Oh, okay. Harau, Haryoho, Harishu.
Harishu. Uttamam. Uttamam. Sudha Mahodaya, Guru Shabda.
गुरुः गुरु गुरवः हे गुरो हे गुरु हे गुरवः गुरुं गुरु गुरुं गुरु गुरून् गुरुणा गुरु गुरून् गुरुणा गुरुभ्यां गुरुभिः गुरवे गुरुभ्यां गुरुभ्यः गुरोः गुरोः गुरुभ्यां गुरुभ्यः गुरोः
again गुरोः
गुरोः गुर्वोः गुरूणां 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 and then it is gurau gurau gurvoh gurushu.
Uttama uttama.
Dhanyavad.
Okay, let's do something a little harder. Not hard, but we haven't practiced it much. So let us do a small practice. Vijay Menon Mahodaya, Mati Shabda, Ikaranta Strilinga, Mati Shabda. So it is, if you remember, it is mostly similar to Hari Shabda. So if you remember Hari Shabda properly, mostly it will be similar. Prayatnam karot. Mute mati asti bhavan.
मतिः मती मत्यः
Matayah.
मतयः हे मते हे मती हे मतयः then मतीं मती मतिः right मतीः okay मतीः
ekavachanam will be matim, not matim.
matim
This is haraswa, not dirgha. Matim.
matim mati matihi matihi okay
Mati.
matihi matya matibhyam matibhihi
Matibhihi.
then matyah matya matibhyam matibhyah
Matyai or mataye.
okay matyai matibhyam matibhyah
so if you remember tasyai, we studied tasyai, namastasyai, right? So it is similar to that.
Namastasyai, matyai. Okay. Then matyaha matibhyam matibhyah matyaha again matyoho matinam matyam matyoho matishu.
Matishu. Do you remember the alternate forms for Chaturthi to Saptami? So Matyai.
Matyai mataye. Correct?
Mataye. Mataye.
Matyai's alternate is mataye, no?
Satyam. Mataye.
Mataye. Then matyoho. So sorry, matyaha.
Matyaha or matehe.
Matehe. And the
same for Shashti.
Shashti also same. Yeah. And last one, Matyam will have Matau. Matyam
same like Nadyam. Matau same like Gurau.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Uttamam. Hemanti Mahode, any Ukaranta Strilinga, Dhenu, Tanu, Ishu, Raju, whatever you want.
Okay. Dhenuhu. Dhenu. Dhenavaha.
Uttamam. Dhenuhu, Dhenu, Dhenavaha.
Dhenum. Dhenu.
Dhenuhu.
Oh, Dhenuhu. Okay. Dhenuva.
Uttamam.
Dhenubhyam. Dhenubhihi. Chaturthi.
Tasyai. Namastasyai.
So then why? Okay. Then why? Dhenubhyam. Dhenubhyaha.
Uttamam. Chaturthi and Panchami Bahuvachana will end in Bhyaha.
Okay. Panchami. Then wow.
Dhenvaha. Chintamastu. Dhenoho or Dhenvaha.
Oh, so there are two forms. Okay, Denvaha,
Hmm.
Deno. Okay, and same. Denubhyam,
Ah.
Denubhyaha.
Ah.
Sashti.
Same as Panchami.
This is
Ekavachanam will
same.
be same as Panchami.
Okay.
Ah.
So Denvaha,
Ah.
Denoho,
Ah.
Nadyo. So Denvoho,
Dhenvoho. Ah, Uttama.
Denvoho,
Ah.
Denunam.
Dhenunam. Hmm.
Dhenunam.
Yeah.
Saptami. Nadyam.
Ah, same like
Then-
Nadyam.
So Denvam,
Ah.
Denvo,
Dhenvoho.
Denushu. Oh,
Dhenushu.
Denvoho. Okay,
Ah,
so
Dhenvoho.
Denvam, Denvoho, Denushu.
Dhenushu. And the Saptami alternate form is Dhenau, like just like Gurau.
Oh, I see. Deno. Okay.
Ah.
So Denvam and Deno.
Ah.
Okay.
Satyam. Lakshmi Mahodaye, Ukaranta Strilinga, Vadhu, Archamu, Shwashru, whatever you want.
Vadhu.
Ah,
Okay. Vadhuhu. Ikaranta striling. Ikaranta ukaranta strilinga Mahodaya.
Ukaranta.
Ukaranta.
Vadhu, Ukaranta. Vadhuhu. Vadvau.
Vadhuhu. Vadvau. Vadvaha.
Hmm.
He vadhu. He vadvau. He vadvaha.
Hmm.
Then vadhun. Vadhum.
Ah.
Vadhum. Vadvau. Vadhuhu.
Hmm.
Vadva. Vadvabhyam.
Vadhubhyam.
Vadhubihi. Vadhubihi.
Dvivachana is Vadhubhyam.
Vadhubhyam.
Ah.
Okay. Vadhubihi.
Bihi.
Vadvai. Vadhubhyam. Vadhubhyaha.
Tritiya Bahuvachanam Bihi. Chaturthi
Bihi.
Panchami
Rasvahas.
Bahuvachanam Bhyaha.
Bhyaha.
Bhyaha. And
Vadvaha.
Dvivachanam.
Panchami vibhakti. Vadvaha. Vadhubhyam. Vadhubhyaha. Vadva. Shashti vibhakti. Vadvaha. Vadvoho. Vadhunam. Then Saptami. Vadvam. Vadvoho. Vadhushu.
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 Uttamam. Uttamam. We will do some more abhyasas for homework. That way it will be as easy as Rama Shabda and Sita Shabda ityadi. So the reason we learn is these Shabdas, even though they are not as common as Rama Shabda or Sita Shabda is Ikaranta Hari Shabda, for example. We have Vibhakti or Ratri, some commonly used words. Sorry, Ikaranta Strilinga, Vibhakti, Ratri, etc. So we keep using those words. So it's helpful to know the different forms. Same way, Guru Shabda, we use Dhatu. Right? For lakaras, we say this is the dhatu. So when we want to use dhatu in a sentence while speaking or while writing, it's good to know the forms.
Bhanumohdaya.
Vadatu Mahodaya.
Ikaranta pullinga samskute asti va?
Prayaha asti. Aham na janami. Prayaha asti. I haven't seen it in Shabda Manjari. Maybe it is there. I can verify and tell you.
Dhanyavada Mahodaya. I tried to find it. I couldn't find it. So
What was that? What was the question? Ikaranta?
Ikaranta pullinga shabda in Sanskrit.
Okay.
ऊकारन्त पुंलिङ्ग also I'm not sure. दृष्ट्वा वदामि. अन्ये प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? अस्तु. Let's do the Sarvanama Shabdas for Saptami. We will finish it up.
महोदय
वदतु.
एक प्रश्नः वदामि.
पृच्छतु.
For 7-3 Bahuvachana Saptami, when do you use su ending and when do you use shu ending?
It's a slightly it involves slightly lengthy explanation. For that we have to know a little bit of Maheshwara Sutrani. I will talk about it if we have time.
Okay. Dhanyavada.
Astu. Astu. Let's move forward. Bhavani Mahodaye, Tad Shabda Pumlinga. Let's do that quickly.
Saha tau te, tam tau tan, tena tabhyam taihi, tasmai tabhyam tebhyah, tasmat tabhyam tebhyah, tasya tayoh tesham, tasmin tayoh teshu.
We haven't done Saptami. That is the subject today. Astu. Uttamam. So Kim Shabda and Etat Shabda and Yat Shabda, they rhyme the Tat Shabda. Bhagya Mahodaye. Tat Shabda Strilinga.
Sa te taha, tam te taha, taya tabhyam tabihi, tasyai tabhyam tabyaha, tasya tabhyam tabyaha, tasyaha tayoh tasham, tasyam tayoh tash.
We will do Saptami today. So first 6 are good enough. Astu Uttamam. Manjula Mahodaye. Tat Shabda Napumsakalinga. Tatte Tani.
Can you ask somebody else?
Astu. Prashant Mahodaya. Tat Shabda Napumsakalinga.
Yes, tat tetani, ten tabhyam tai, tasmai tabhyam tebhyah, tasmat tabhyam tebhyah, tasya tayoh tesham, tasmin tayoh teshu.
Uttamam. So, except for Prathama and Dvitiya Vibhakti, the rest of the Vibhaktis are the same for Pumlinga and Napumsakalinga. Uttamam. Rohini Mahodaye, Asmad Shabda.
Akam, Avam, Bayam, Ma'am, Avam, Laka.
Asman.
I don't whether I'm correct or not.
No. Ma'am, Avam, Asman.
Asman. Maya, Avam. Am I right, Mahodaya?
Please proceed. Maya, Avabhyam.
Maya, Avabhyam, Asma Bihi, Mahyam, Avabhyam,
Asmabhyam.
Asmabhyam.
Mat.
Avabhyam, Asmat.
Mama, my name is Mama.
Avabhyam, Asmakam,
मम आवयोः अस्माकम् उत्तम उत्तम we will do saptami today. We haven't done saptami. Don't worry about saptami. Astu. Bala Mahodaya, Yushmat Shabda, last one.
Can I do Mahodaya?
Astu, karot.
Kshamata. Sorry. Tvam yuvam yuyam. Tvam yuvam yuyam. Yushman. Tvaya yuvabhyam yushmabhi. Tubhyam yuvabhyam yushmabhyam. Tvat.
Yushmabhyaha. Yushmabhyam.
Tvat yuvabhyam yushmat. Arte yuvayoho tam yushmakam.
Dvivachana vam, not tam, vam. Alternate form. Astu. And the Chaturthi Ekavachana alternate form to Tubhyam is Te. Namaha Te Namaste. Tubhyam Saraswati Namastubhyam, etc. Astu. Let us finish the Saptami form for all of these Shabdas today. With that, we would have completed all 7 Vibhaktis for Sarvanama Shabdas. So, Saptami Vibhakti is used for indicating Adharaha. Or location in English, in, on, among, at, ityadi. So, Mama Bhaktihi Tasmin Asti. My Bhakti is in him or on him. Same thing, Dvivachana Bhaktihi Tayoho Asti. On those 2 males or in those 2 male forms. Bahuvachane teshu. Mama bhaktihi teshu asti. In them or many of them or all of them. So tasmin tayoho teshu. So saptami tat shabda forms are tasmin tayoho teshu. And as before, the etad forms are the same as tad forms, except we add a in front of it. So, etasmin, etayoho, eteshu. So, in this male form, in these 2, and in all of them, or in many of them. As before, the question forms, the kim shabda, they will rhyme the tad shabda forms. So, mama bhaktihi kasmin asti. So, kasmin will rhyme with tasmin or etasmin. So, mama bhaktihi kasmin asti. In whom is my bhakti? So, the answer could be tasmin, in him, etasmin, in this person, or rame. If you are talking about a specific person, in Rama. So my bhakti is in Rama. Kasmin asti, tasmin asti, etasmin asti, rame asti. Dvivachana, again it rhymes tad shabda saptami forms. Kayoho, rhyming with tayoho or etayoho. And if you want to be more specific, devayoho asti. So, mama bhaktihi kayoho asti, in whom 2 is my bhakti, tayoho in those 2, etayoho in these 2, or devayoho in 2 gods or on 2 gods. Finally, bahuvachana keshu, rhyming with teshu or eteshu. And to be more specific, deveshu, in gods. So, kasmin kayoho keshu. Abhyasam kurmaha. Ramu Mahodaya. So, convert whatever is in the middle box into saptami forms. Ramu Mahodaya asti va? Astu. Sri Vidya Mahodaya, bhavati karotu. Kakaha.
Kakaha kasmin upavishati.
Kasmin upavishati. What does it mean?
Where does the crow sitting?
On what? On what? Or where?
On
what?
Okay. On what? On what?
Or where is also fine. Where is also okay. So if you want to do saha or eshaha.
Kakaha tasmin tasmin upavishati. Kakaha etasmin upavishati. Kakaha vrikshe upavishati.
Vrikshe upavishati. Tat shabda dvivachana form. Kakaha.
Kakaha kayoho upavishati. Kakaha keshu upavishati.
Answers in dvivachana and bahuvachana.
Kakaha tayoho upavishati. Teshu upavishati.
And if you want to talk about vriksha specifically,
vrikshayoho vriksheshu.
Astu vriksheshu. Vrikshayoho, vrikshe, vrikshayoho, vriksheshu. Uttama, uttama. Sudha Mahoday. Bhaktaha.
Bhaktaha tasmin bhaktihi pradarshayati.
Bhaktihi na bhaktim.
Bhaktim, sorry. Bhaktim pradarshayati. Bhaktaha etasmin bhaktim pradarshayati.
What is the meaning, Mahodaya?
Bhaktaha, the devotee, he shows his bhakti on that person, on this person.
Right. Astu. Why is it bhaktim and not bhaktihi?
Because it is karma padam.
So how did satyam. How do we arrive at bhaktaha tasmin bhaktim pradarshayati? So how do we determine which is karma pada? What question do we ask?
What does he?
Samskrite.
Kim pradarshayati.
Kim pradarshayati. So whatever the answer of Kim is, that is the karma pada. And that is in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Uttama.
Dhanyavada.
So let us look at Saptami Tat Shabda for Strilinga. Same thing, meaning is the same, in or on, or at, or among. Tasyam tayoho tasu. Bhaktaha tasyam vishwasam karoti. Shows trust in her, whoever her is. Tayoho, in those two. Tasu, in them. Bahuvachana. Tasyam tayoho tasu. Same way, etat shabda, etasyam, etayoho, etasu. Same as tat shabda, except a is in front. Again, kim shabda, it will rhyme the tat shabda. Kasyam ekavachane. So kasyam will rhyme tasyam, etasyam, devyam. So bhaktaha kasyam vishwasam karoti. In whom does he believe? Tasyam, in her. Etasyam, in this female form. Devyam, in Devi or on Devi. Kayoho vishwasam karoti, in who two. Tayoho, those two. Etayoho, these two. Devyoho, in two Devis. Same way, bahuvachana. Kasu, in whom, bahuvachana form. Tasu, etasu. Devishu, in many Devis. कस्यां कयोः कासु विजय मीनन महोदय
Okay. जनकः तस्यां वात्सल्यं प्रदर्शयति.
अर्थः कः? What is the meaning?
Father is showing affection to on the daughter, or maybe on
her.
On
daughter.
her.
On
Okay.
her. Towards her. On her.
Towards her. Then Janakah tayoho vatsalyam pradarshayati means those two ladies, females. Then Janakah tasu vatsalyam pradarshayati on many
daughters or nieces or whatever. Uttamam. Hemanti Mahoday, Chhatra.
Okay, Chhatra tashyam namratam prakatayati.
Artah kaha? What is the meaning?
A female student, singular, female student is showing namratam,
humility, humbleness.
Humbleness. Okay, towards her.
Towards her. Prashna form. What is the Prashna form?
Kashyam. Okay.
Tasyam, kasyam, etasyam.
Okay, yeah. Chhatra kasyam namratam prakatayati. So female student is showing or humility towards who?
Dvivachana.
Okay. Chhatra okay. Tasyam tayoho tasu.
Tasyam tayoho tasu.
Tasu. So Chhatra tayoho namratam prakatayati.
And Prashna form will be kayoho.
Kayoho, yeah. Chhatra kayoho.
In whom too is she displaying her humility, or on whom?
Or for all whom, yes.
महोदय
पृच्छतु मीरा महोदय.
एकः संशयमस्ति अत्र य वर्णः अधिकमस्ति खलु य वर्णः वात्सल्यं या वात्सल्यं
पुनः पृच्छतु.
वात्सल्यं शब्दः अस्ति अत्र य शब्दः त स य संयुक्ताक्षर अस्ति वा अथवा थ स य नास्ति इति मम संशय.
It's the typo, Mahoday.
No, it's a typo. Typo.
Sa. It should be full sa. Typo. I will fix it. Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah, Mahoday.
Astu. Any questions on Pullinga or Strilinga Saptami? Astu, as we have been saying all along, the Tat Shabda forms for Napumsakalinga are the same as those for Pumlinga. So, Tasmin Tayoho Teshu. Sikshakaha Tasmin Pathayati. The teacher teaches in it. It could be something classroom. Let us say in that classroom. शिक्षकः तयोः पाठयति तेषु पाठयति in those two and in them tasmin tayoho teshu. Etat form will again will be the same except with the a in front. Etasmin etayoho eteshu. Again the kim shabda forms will rhyme the tad and etad forms. Kasmin kayoho keshu. Sikshakah kasmin pathayati. In what does the teacher teach? Tasmin pathayati. In that he teaches in that. Etasmin he teaches in this. Vidyalaye pathayati. Kayoho pathayati. In which two? Tayoho etayoho vidyalayoho. Vidyalayayoho pathayati. And keshu, in which many of them, bahuvachana form. Teshu in them, eteshu in these, and vidyalayeshu in schools. Pathayati. Kasmin kayoho keshu. Astu. Rohini Mahoday, Saha, convert this into Saptami, the middle box. Convert this into convert any of these words into Saptami Vibhakti.
tasmin pujam karoti.
Okay, or Vasati. It is more appropriate because Archakaha will do puja.
Tasmin vasati.
Archaka.
He lives there.
In that.
Okay. Saha etasmin vasati. He lives.
Hold on, Lakshmi Mahoday. Let Rohini Mahoday try.
Sorry, Mahoday.
Saha etasmin vasati. Saha kasmin vasati.
So just do the Dvivachana and Bahuvachana of only one word. We don't have to do everything.
Saha tayoho vasati. Saha etayoho vasati. Saha kayoho vasati.
Astu. Dhanyavadah. Te Bahuvachana.
Saha
Teshu. Teshu vasati. In that he lives. Astu. And eteshu keshu. Dhanyavadah.
Mahoday, here does this match the karta saha etayoho vasati?
He lives in those two houses. Why wouldn't it match?
Okay.
Let us say he has two houses. He lives one day here and one day in that house.
Okay.
So grammatically it is correct. In real life, whether it is correct or not, that's a secondary matter. Astu. Bala Mahodaya अस्ति वा? धन्यवादः. कृपया करोतु.
अर्चकः तस्मिन् पूजां करोति. अर्चकः एतस्मिन् पूजां करोति. अर्चकः कस्मिन् पूजां करोति.
Give me. Okay, astu. In this, give me a definitive answer.
Sorry.
So we are saying tasmin pujam karoti.
Okay.
In that, if you want to be more specific,
मंदिरे पूजां करोति.
उत्तमं. मन्दिरे पूजां करोति. And dvivachana, bahuvachana, similar. So let us take one example here. Archakaha tasmin pujam karoti. And then you said mandire pujam karoti. Uttamam. In that he does puja. In temple he does puja. If I want to say in that temple or in this temple, how do I say that?
अर्चकः तस्मिन् मंदिरे पूजां करोति.
Tasmin mandire pujam karoti. Astu. So the next question is, why tasmin mandire? Why not tat mandire?
Because the Visheshan has to follow the noun.
Visheshana Vishesha Bhava. So atra mandire asti. We are saying in the temple.
So mandire is in Saptami Vibhakti. So tat will also be in Saptami Vibhakti.
It's not just Vibhakti. What else has to match?
All lingeshu, trishu, lingeshu, vachaneshu.
So what is the description? What is the mandire? What all three forms?
Saptami
All three.
Ekavachanam napunsakalingam.
So right, Uttama. Saptami ekavachana napunsakalinga. So the Visheshana for that has to match. So tasmin is Saptami ekavachana napunsakalinga. Archakaha tasmin mandire pujam karoti. In that temple. So you could also have said etasmin or kasmin.
Kasmin.
Uttama.
Dhanyawad.
Astu. Let us take a similar exercise for Strilinga. Bhaktaha. Who wants to do? He has bhakti in her. Who's next? Sumitra Mahoday. Sumitra Mahoday asti.
Mahoday.
Bhakta has bhakti in her.
What will become a tasyam? It become bhaktah tasyam bhaktihi asti.
Tasyam bhaktihi va
asti. Bhaktim asti.
Bhaktim. We did this just. Astu. So what is in her? So I want to say in that Devi.
Bhaktah tasyam devya.
Devi Ikaranta Strilinga.
Devi will become devyam.
Devyam. Uttama. So Devyam. So Tasyam was Saptami Ekavachana Strilinga. So whatever it is a Visheshana of also has to be in Saptami Ekavachana Strilinga. So Tasyam Devyam Bhaktim Pradarshayati. So what is the full meaning of this sentence?
The devotee is having showing a, I don't know, bhakti towards that Devi.
That Devi.
Or this.
So, so if I want to say this Devi.
Etasyam.
Devyam. And in which Devi?
kasyam.
Kasyam. Astu. So same way for Pumlinga. So that is one more exercise in Visheshana Vishesha Bhava. So Linga, Vachana and Vibhakti, all three have to match. Prashnaha santi va?
Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah Mahoday. Astu अन्ये प्रश्नाः न सन्ति चेत् अस्मत् शब्द इति पठामः. Before that, Yad Shabda, our favorite Yad Shabda is there. As before, the Yad Shabda also rhymes with Tad, Etad, Kim Shabda. So, Tasmin, Tayoho, Teshu in Pumlinga Saptami. So, Yasmin, Yayoho, Yeshu. So, Mama Bhaktihi Yasmin Asti Saha Ramaha. So, in whom my bhakti is present, he is Rama. So here I have a question. Let us go back to Pumlinga. Mama Bhaktihi Tasmin Asti, we said. Why Bhaktihi here and why not Bhaktim? Viraj Mahodaya.
Karta.
Viraj Mahodaya asti va?
Yeah. So Asti is the Kriya Pada. So we need to look for the similar Pratama Vibhakti Namapada.
Ekavachana Asti.
Mama is in Shashti. Yeah.
Mama is in Shashti.
So Bhakti is Pratama.
So who is doing the Kriya here? So Bhakti, what exists? Bhakti exists. Karta. That is why it is Bhakti here. Bhaktim pradarshayati. In that sentence, it will be Karma Padam. That is why it is Bhaktim. So if I want to convert the same sentence and say, I am displaying my bhakti in him, how would I convert this sentence?
Aham pradarshayami is the Kriya Pada. Aham tasmin bhaktihi pradarshayami.
Okay. 1 second.
Okay, I got it here.
Let me type it so everybody will be. So, atra karta kaha?
Bhaktihi asti. Bhaktihi is the karta.
Bhaktihi is the karta. So now we are converting this to to say my bhakti exists in him or is in him. Now I want to convert this to say I am displaying my bhakti in him. Punaha prayatnam karotu. How do I say this?
Aham tasmin.
Aham is there. So next to the Kriya Pada.
Pradarshayami.
Pradarshayami. Pradarshayami.
Next, in Kim, Tasmin.
Anantaram, astu, Tasmin. Pradarshayami. Kim pradarshayami?
Bhaktim pradarshayami.
Bhaktim pradarshayami, not bhaktihi.
Astu Mahodaya.
So, does everybody understand the difference between these two sentences? Why it is bhaktihi here and why bhaktim here? If you have doubts, please ask.
Mahodaya. Bhaktim pradarshayami aham tasmin bhaktim I cannot use asmi there.
Aham tasmin.
Aham.
What are you saying? Aham.
Aham tasmin bhakti as I want, instead of pradarshayami, I want to use asmi.
So who? Okay.
Doesn't make sense, but I'm just asking.
I understand. Aham asmi. So what would be the appropriate words here?
Aham tasmin bhaktaha asmi.
Tasmin bhaktaha asmi. Tasmin astu. Tasmin or tasya would be appropriate also.
Tasya is,
Tasya. I am his devotee. So tasya is probably more appropriate. Is that clear, Bhagya Mahoday?
Mahodaya, dhanyawad.
Tasya bhaktaha asmi.
Mahodaya,
Anybody?
so mama tasmin bhaktihi asti, is it correct or no? Like aham. No, aham. Instead of mama, if I put aham, yeah. So is it correct or no?
So what is the meaning of this sentence?
I have a bhakti on him, like that I want to say. So is this sentence correct? Anybody? If it is not correct, why?
Incorrect.
Why?
You can't say
Mama bhaktihi tasmin asti.
It's because
So,
the Kriya Padam Asti has to
asmi.
follow the Karta.
My bhakti, my
First
bhakti
rule, I think
on
first
him.
rule.
So
my
Mama,
bhakti is in you.
My bhakti is in him. So aham will be I, not my. I, right? So so aham bhaktihi asti. So forget tasmin for a second. So is this sentence correct, Sumitra Mahoday?
I don't know.
See, okay. Astu. Asti is the Kriya Padam. You agree with that?
Yes, yeah.
So aham is what? What is the vibhakti of aham?
Uttama Purusha, ekavachanam.
Aham avam vayam. Prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. So if aham is the karta, what will be the kriya pada? Will it be asti?
No, asmi.
Asmi. Now you already have kriya, you already have a karta. So what will this become? Aham bhakti hi asmi. I am bhakti.
No, Bhaktaha or Bhaktaha can be.
Or bhakta.
Bhakti. Bhakta.
Spashtam va? Anybody else? Anybody else have questions?
Anumadaya.
Pruchatu Mahoday.
If I say aham bhakti karomi.
Astu. Is this correct, Manjula Mahoday? So, no. What is the Kriya Padam here?
Karomi.
Karomi. Who is the Karta?
Aham.
Aham. So, Karta is done, Kriya is done. So, to arrive, so already we have karta, we have a kriya pada. So I am doing something, I am eating. So let us take it in a different way. Let us aham khadami. Similar sentence.
There, if I want to say in between aham bhakti, if I want to put some god, like aham rame bhakti karomi. Rame, will it be correct?
I'm coming to that. I'm giving you the answer. Just bear with me. So this is a similar sentence to this. You want to put something in the middle. So let us see what will be that middle. So aham karomi, aham khadami. So I eat.
Yes.
So if I want to say I eat annam, what would you say? Aham annam khadami. So what is the vibhakti of annam? Or if I want to say roti, chapati, to make it even more clear, I am eating chapati or roti.
Prathama vibhakti.
No. How would I say I am eating roti?
Rotim khadami.
Rotim or rotikam. Okay. Rotikam khadami. So what is the vibhakti of rotikam?
That is it. Okay.
So ask the question, kim khadami? Rotikam khadami. So what does kim answer? What is the answer of a kim shabda? What will it give you? Anybody?
Yes, karma pada.
Karma padam. So rotikam karma padam. In this case, it happens to be in ekavachanam. So ditya vibhakti. So aham karomi is similar to aham khadami. So your answer also, if you want to do I do something, so it has to be dvitiya vibhakti. Ekavachana, dvivachana, bahuvachana, it doesn't matter. So what is the dvivachana form of bhakti?
Bhakti.
Manjula,
Bhakti. Then I have to say aham harim bhaktim karomi.
Why harim?
Harim is ditya vibhakti for hari.
I am doing bhakti in or of, it will become, right? In hari, on hari. So what will be the saptami form of hari?
Hari bhakti karomi. Krishna.
Hare va. Harau. Harau bhaktim karomi.
Harau.
Aham harim pujayami. Harau bhaktim karomi. Astu. Is this clear?
Yes, Mahodaya.
Any other
Mahodaya.
questions? Pruchhat Mahodaya.
In Visheshya Visheshana Bhavaha, what is wrong in saying Aham Harim Bhaktim Karomi?
Harim bhaktim karomi va? Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
So what does that mean?
No, strictly I'm saying if it is in the Visheshya Bhavaha.
I understand. What you're saying is, so let us say we don't have bhaktim. So Aham harim karomi. That is what the sentence will be, right? So you are making hari. Are you making hari?
Yeah, it means I'm making hurry.
Right. So harim bhaktim karomi. So you are saying this. Aham harim bhaktim.
Correct.
Aham harim pujayami would be more appropriate. Harau bhaktim pradarshayami, bhaktim karomi would be more appropriate. In hari.
No, aham harim pujayami. That is quite straightforward because there is no visheshana vishesha bhava. I'm specifically asking if you want to use in the Dvitiya Vibhakti Visheshana Bhava, how do you use it?
Uttamam bhaktim karomi. Something like that. So this is the Visheshana of bhakti. This is in Dvitiya Ekavachana, Uttamam bhaktim karomi.
Okay.
In hari.
Yeah, in harau. Okay. Okay.
Astu. Anye prashnaः सन्ति वा?
So Maurya, you are saying that harim bhaktim karomi is wrong.
I don't think harim bhaktim karomi is correct. I don't think so.
Yeah, because it doesn't make any sense if you translate.
Because this is not.
Translate into your language, into your mother tongue.
So even if you take in Sanskritam, if you do harim bhaktim, then one is a viseshan of the other. But that is not the sense here, right?
But we can say pujayami.
Aham harim pujayami. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, I'm harim.
That is fine.
This is correct. I am praying to Hari.
To Hari.
That is correct. But harim bhaktim karomi
Is wrong.
Because
It doesn't make correct sense.
They don't have a visheshana vishesha bhava.
Visheshanas.
Because Hari is not a description of bhakti, or bhakti is not a description of Hari.
Astu Maurya.
Any other questions about this or anything we have discussed so far? Astu. Pruchate.
To summarize them, two namapadas can have only two kinds of relationships. Either they are Visheshan Vishesha or they are in the Shashti Vibhakti. Shashti Vibhakti. Is that fair? Or?
What do you mean by that, Mahodaya?
Like if there are two namapadas, who are all the other namapadas are usually related with Kriya Pada, right? Kim, Karomi is like that. What did I use to do it is third Vibhakti, like that. But, or where did I do it? So it's related to the action. But if two namapadas we relate, it's either a Shashti Vibhakti where it's off, like Ramasya, Griha, so possession, or Visheshan Vishesha, like adjective or something.
Or you can combine them with cha, Ramaha, Lakshmanaha, cha, vanam gacchataha. There is one more that Chaitra Mahodaya asked last time. Aham mama nama bhanuhu. So nama is prathama eka vibhakti napumsakalinga. Bhanuhu is also prathama vibhakti ekavachana. Parantu pumlinga. So there was this discussion whether it's a visheshana vishesha bhava. They are both namapadas, but we are not joining them through cha or through some other vibhakti. So there is one more relationship called uddesha videya bhavaha. So in English, it is called the subject predicate relationship. So my name, so for example, he is a boy. If you take in English, there we are talking about that boy, he, correct? So is a boy is describing about he. He is the subject or karta there. So is a boy is called as predicate in English. Srividya Mahodaya can correct us if I'm saying something wrong. So subject, predicate. So subject is equivalent to karta. Predicate is whatever is talking about the karta, about the subject. So in Sanskrit also, we have a similar concept. Mama, let me type. Mama nama bhanuhu. So here the implied kriya padam is asti. Nama is prathama ekavachanam, correct? Parantu this is in napumsakalinga.
Napumsakalinga, yeah.
Bhanuhu is also prathama ekavachana, parantu it is in pumlinga. Right? So in Visheshana Vishesha Bhava, if we take either Nama has to become a Pumlinga, so it should be Namaha, or Bhanuhu should be Napumsakalinga, but it is, both are not correct. Nama is one of those words that is applicable, is the same for all lingas. If I'm a woman, I could say Mama Nama Sita. Nama will not change. I won't say Nama Sita. Mama Nama Amra Phalam. If I'm a mango, I will say my name is Mango. So Nama is the same in all cases, but it is also in Prathama Vibhakti. So Visheshana Vishesha Bhava does not apply here. So Visheshana Vishesha Bhava is one way of when you have more than one Prathama Vibhakti words in a sentence. There is one more way called Uddeshya Videya. Uddeshya Videya. With Uddeshya is about whom we are talking, and Videya is what are we talking about, the subject. So subject, predicate. If you take the English equivalent. So in this sentence, Nama, so we are talking about name, Nama. So that is the Uddeshya Padam. Bhanuhu. So what are we talking about Nama? What are we describing or what are we saying about Nama? We are saying the name is Bhanu. So that is the Videya. So this is one more Bhavaha. Uddeshya Videya Bhavaha. So this is one more relationship that can exist when you have more than one Prathama Vibhakti forms. So similarly, Mama Matru Bhasha Samskrutam Asti. Asti is the Kriya form. So again, Matrubhasha is what? Prathama Strilinga. Parantu Samskrutam tu Prathama Napumsaka. So again, because the linga doesn't match, it is not a Visheshana Vishesha Bhava. So again, Mama Matrubhasha Asti. So Matrubhasha is the karta here. We are saying something about Matrubhasha. What is it that we are saying about Matrubhasha? That it is Sanskritam. So, Mama Matrubhasha Sanskritam. Sanskritam is the predicate, if you take the English equivalent, or Vidheya of the Uddishya, which is Matrubhasha. Spashtamma, is this clear?
Yeah, and in this case, both the Uddishya and Vidheya will be in Prathama Vibhakti.
So that is how you join Prathama Vibhakti words.
Words, okay. 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 So these 4 ways, right?
Punaha vadatu.
That means these are the 4 ways: Visheshan Vishesha, Uddishya Vidheya, and Shashti Vibhakti, and Cha.
And Cha. Ramaha, Lakshmana.
Yeah, okay.
Sita, Vanam. So, Ramaha, Sita, Cha. That is another way of joining or describing the relationship between two Prathama Vibhakti forms in a sentence. So, Uddeshya Vidheya Bhavaha is another new one. It is new for me also. I had to research on that.
Thank you.
Chaitra Mahodaya, you had started this whole discussion. Is this clear?
Mahodaya. So just one clarification. If I take the sentence Nabaha Neelaha Asti, so that is the Visheshan Visheshya, right? That falls there. The sky is blue.
The sky is blue. Satyam.
Okay.
Here, Matrubhasha is not describing Sanskritam, nor is Sanskritam describing Matrubhasha. It's entirely a different relationship.
It's a statement of fact, basically.
It's a statement of fact.
Matrubhasha Sanskritam Asti.
Satyam. Satyam. So, where there is no Visheshana Vishesha Bhava, and that is easy to find out, all 3 Linga, Vachana, Vibhakti have to match. If they are not matching, if you don't have Cha joining them, if it is Cha that is joining them, then all of them are Kartas. They are all doing the same action. Parantu, Atra, neither of those 2 relationships exist. So, where you are telling something more about the Karta, but it is not a Visheshana, then that is the Vidheya. So, Uddeshya Vidheya Bhavaha.
Astu Mahodaya. Got it. Dhanyavada.
Sandeep Mahodaya, Spashtam va?
Astu Mahodaya.
Anybody else have any doubts about this?
So, Mahodaya, Uddishya is subject and Vidheya is predicate, Mahodaya.
Satyam, Satyam.
One question. When you say Ramaha Sita Cha Vanam Gachati, since it's 2, should we look at Dvivachana or Cha is okay?
I didn't understand.
No, because it's two people. Should we convert Sita to Dvivachana? Not necessary, no?
No. The Kriya will be in Dvivachana, right? Rama and Sita go to the forest. We are talking about 2 people going to the forest.
Okay.
We are not talking about 2 Sitas. If he said Rama, Sita, then it will be Rama and 2 Sitas are going.
Okay. I understood.
And I think he's telling Rama Sitaya Vanam
Gacchata. Sita Ramau Vanam Gacchataha. That is also possible. There you don't have to join with Cha. You can say Sita Ramau Vanam Gacchataha.
रामसीतयोः वनं गच्छतः.
सीते 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 सीता सीते. This is karta, prathama vibhakti, not yoho. That is saptami vibhakti. Ramau, Ramah, Ramau.
Another thing is Mama Nama Bhanuhu, you said it is concerning with the Shashti Vibhakti only. If you want to tell your name, we can just say Aham Bhanuhu Asti.
Satyam. Aham Bhanuhu asmi. I am Bhanu. That is also possible. Satyam.
Bhanu Mahoday, one question here, like if there are three, then it could be like Ram, Sita, and then Lakshmana.
Like, Ramaha, Sita, Lakshma. What will this
would
be?
it be would it be Lakshmana, or it would be like with the with also Ramahu, Ramaha?
No, we are saying Rama is Rama, Sita, and Lakshmana. So ekavachana only.
No, if we are joining like the way you did it earlier.
Okay.
This is what I was asking.
Okay. Satya. Sita, Rama, Lakshma. Naha, Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha, Lakshmanaha, Lakshmanau, Lakshmanaha, Sita, Rama, Lakshmanaha, Vanam Gachanti.
And it could be also like Ram, Lakshmana, and then Sitaha. Then it would be, if Sita is also. Okay.
Satya.
Dhanyavad.
Satya. Then it will become Rama Lakshmanau. Sita Vanam Gachanti.
No, Mahoday.
No, it can't be. Okay.
How?
No, because I thought if you were splitting the masculine names like Ramaha, Lakshmanaha, and Sita
Rama, Lakshmanau, Sita, Cha. Then you have to say Cha.
Then we have to use Cha.
Satya. Astu. Agre Saramaha.
Sorry, Mahoday. If I have to use Saha, like Rama, Sitaya Saha Gachati, like that.
Ramaha, Sitaya Saha Vanam Gachati.
So if I have to tell two people like Sita and Lakshmana.
Let us cover this topic and then we'll talk about this.
Oh, okay. Dhanyavad.
We will practice all those. Those are important things to practice. Yasmin yayoho eshu mama bhaktihi yasmin asti saha Ramaha. In whom my bhakti exists, he is Rama. Yayoho, in those two people, in two people in whom my bhakti exists, they are two devas, and yeshu, in whom my bhakti exists, they are all devas. So yasmin yayoho yeshu. Same way, strilinga, yasyam yayoho yasu. Bhaktaha yasyam vishwasam karoti sa devi. The bhakta in whom has trust, she is a devi. Or yayoho, in two whom's he has trust, those two are devis, and in whom he has trust or bhakti, they are devis. So yasyam yayoho yasu. Napumsakalinga again follows the pumlinga. Yasmin yayoho yeshu. Shikshakaha yasmin patayati tat vidyalayam. That in which the teacher teaches, it's a school. In those two where the teacher teaches, those are two schools, and yeshu, many, bahuvachana. Yasmin yayoho yeshu. Astu, abhyasam kurmaha. Sumitra Mahoday, karoti etat.
Good sadgunaha santi. Like, what will be that? Yasmin, right? Yasmin sadgunaha santi. Saha Ramaha.
Yasmin Satgunaha Santi Saha Rama. We said all, so Sarve. Yasmin Sarve Sugunaha Satgunaha Santi Saha Ramaha. Uttama. Bhagya Mahoday.
Yasmin Mandiraha Asti Tatu. No, Yasmin Parvate Mandiraha. Yasmin Parvate Asti Tatu Mandiram.
You are saying it the other way.
Other way?
Where the temple is, that is a mountain.
Okay. Yasmin Mandiraha Asti Tatu Parvatam.
You forgot the linga of Parvata and Mandira.
Parvatam. Tatu Parvatam. Tatu Parvatam.
Parvata is Pumlinga Mahodaye.
Parvataha.
Saha Parvataha.
And Mandira is an Apumsakalinga.
Yeah, Yasmin Mandiram Asti Saha Parvataha.
Uttamam. Yasmin Mandiram Asti Saha Parvataha. Uttamam. Sandeep Mahodaya.
He in whom Rama's love is Sita. So Yasyam Ramasya Prema Asti Sa Sita.
Uttama. Yasyam Ramasya Pritihi Asti Sa Sita. Uttama. Chaitra Mahoday.
Yasyam Yatrikaha Tarati Sa Nadi.
Uttama. That in which the traveler swims is a river. Yasyam Paryatakaha Tarati Sa Nadi. Uttama. Narayanan Mahodaya. Narayanan Mahodaya asti va?
Yasmin Archakaha Pujam Karoti Tat Mandiram.
Uttamam. Yasmin Archakaha Pujam Karoti Tat Mandiram. Uttamam. Meera Mahodaya.
That Kridanganam is this thing. Yes. Yasyam Bhalika Kridati Tat Kridanganam.
Yasyam va. What are we talking about here?
Kridang, sorry. Yasmin Balika Kridati Tat Kridanganam.
We are not talking about the girl. We are not saying in that girl or on that girl. We are saying in that playground. So Napumsakalinga. So Yasmin Balika Kridati, in which the girl plays, that is a playground. Kridang.
Dhanyavadam.
Dhanyavadaha. Astu. Any questions, doubts? Astu. Agre Saramaha. Asmat Shabdaha. Saptami forms Mayi Avayoho Asmasu. Mayi Kechana Sugunaha Santi. There are some good qualities in me. Mayi, in me, on me. Avayoho, in the two of us or on the two of us. So, Avayoho Kechana Sugunaha Santi. There are some good qualities in the two of us. finally, asmasu kechana sugunaha santi. There are some good qualities in us. Bahuvachana. Mayi avayoho asmasu. Ramesh Mahoday asti va? Astu. Let us go back to Sri Vidya Mahoday. Karot. Convert this in.
Samskrite pritihi asti.
What does that mean?
My liking is on Sanskritam.
Mai Samskrite. This will also become Saptami Vibhakti.
Yes.
Mai in. No. Mama pritihi Samskrite asti. Astu. In me
on me
on Sanskritam tadapi vaktum shakyate. Asti.
My pritihi Samskrite asti. Or my Samskrite pritihi asti.
Or mama is also.
Avayoho pritihi Samskrite asti. Avayoho Samskrite pritihi asti. Asmasu Samskrite pritihi asti.
Astu. Uttamam. Sri Vidya Mahoday.
I just.
Pruchate.
I have a doubt with this. Will both be in Saptami, or because their meaning, it can be Mama Priti Sanskrite Asti and Mai Sanskritam Priti Asti. Like Sanskrit Priti is in me, something like that. Or Sanskritasya Priti. Both in Saptami wouldn't.
Mahodaya pritihi asti. Mayi pritihi asti.
Mayi Samskrite pritihi asti.
No. Correct. I remember now why I picked this specific example, because I wanted to show something that we haven't covered. I think Lakshmi Mahodaya gave the answer. So, mama pritihi samskrute asti. That is one. That is Shashti Vibhakti. Mai samskrutam prati pritihi asti. Mai priti. Mai in me Samskritam prati pritihi asti. In me towards Samskritam there is love. So prati, I wanted to introduce the word prati. So when you use prati, whatever prati is talking about, that will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. So we saw different uses of Dvitiya Vibhakti. One of the forms that we forgot to cover or didn't get a chance to cover is prati. Samskrutam prati. Ramam prati mama bhaktihi asti or mayi bhaktihi asti.
Towards Mahodaya?
Towards. Prati. Mayi in me, Samskrutam prati, towards Samskrutam, pritihi asti. Love exists. So in me, towards Samskritam, there is love. So mayi Samskritam prati pritihi asti. Or mayi Ramam prati bhaktihi asti. In me, towards Rama, there is bhakti. So whatever Prati is talking about, that will be in Dvivachana. Prati. Okay, we've run out of time. I will explain this more in next class. Let us do the Mangala Shloka, and then if you have questions, I will answer them. Sudha Mahoday. Mute, please unmute yourself, Mahoday.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Dhanyavadaha Mahoday. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya.